Comprehensions for Kids Reviews Comparison. Drones for kids have become increasingly popular, offering a fun and engaging way to introduce children to technology, photography, and even basic aerodynamics. Today's market features a variety of affordable options with impressive features like HD cameras. The Hasaki Q9S is a visually striking drone designed for kids, with its vibrant green and blue LED lights ensuring a captivating flight experience. This model is equipped with essential beginner-friendly features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. Its secure design includes 4 sturdy propeller guards, making it safe for younger users. The double battery setup provides extended playtime, and its durable ABS construction ensures it can withstand occasional bumps and crashes. In terms of performance, the Q9S is highly responsive and stable in flight, making it ideal for indoor use. While it lacks a camera, its 360-degree flips and auto-rotation features add an element of fun for kids experimenting with aerial maneuvers. The low maximum range of 0.03 miles may limit outdoor usability, but its intuitive controls and robust build make it a great starter drone for younger users. The Cheerwing CW4 RC drone stands out for its 720p HD camera, offering decent photo and video quality for its price. With features like Wi-Fi FPV transmission and gesture selfie mode, it introduces kids to the basics of aerial photography. The one-key takeoff, landing, and altitude hold functions make this drone accessible for beginners. While the Waypoint Flight feature adds a layer of interactivity, its larger size and white frame give it a sleek and modern appearance. While the CW4 performs well in stable conditions, its heavier build makes it less agile than smaller drones. The inclusion of app control and gravity sensing is a nice touch, although the lack of included batteries is a drawback. This drone is better suited for older kids or beginners interested in learning basic photography rather than high-speed maneuvers. The XShop drone is the premium option in this lineup, boasting a 1080p HD camera with FPV transmission and a 90-degree adjustable lens. This drone is packed with features like one-key takeoff landing, headless mode, and gesture-controlled photos, making it suitable for both kids and adults. Its foldable design and carrying case make it highly portable, while the 2 included batteries provide up to 30 minutes of flight time. In terms of performance, the XShop excels in stability and camera quality, making it perfect for capturing clear aerial footage. Its intuitive controls and multiple speed settings allow for a tailored flying experience, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced user. However, its higher price point and slightly heavier weight may not appeal to all buyers. This drone is ideal for those looking for a balance between functionality and portability. The Vista mini drone is the budget-friendly option, offering surprising value for its price. It features a 1080p HD camera with FPV functionality and comes with 3 1800 mAh batteries, providing an impressive 30 minutes of flight time. This drone includes essential features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing, making it easy for beginners to operate. The addition of optical flow positioning ensures stable flight, even for first-time users. While the Vista performs admirably indoors, its lightweight frame makes it susceptible to wind interference outdoors. The camera quality is decent for casual use, but not as sharp as more premium models. Its compact size and carrying case make it a convenient travel companion. Overall, this drone is perfect for those on a budget who still want a feature-packed and user-friendly option. 5. The Velcase X61 is a versatile and beginner-friendly drone with a 1080p HD camera and FPV functionality. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it ideal for travel, while its 2 1000 mAh batteries provide a respectable 22 minutes of flight time. Features like optical flow positioning, trajectory flight, and 3D flips ensure a fun and engaging flying experience for kids and beginners. The X61 excels in stability and ease of use thanks to its optical flow positioning and altitude hold. Its lightweight build is a double-edged sword, as it enhances portability but limits outdoor performance in windy conditions. The camera quality is solid for its price, making it a great choice for casual photography. This drone is best suited for younger users or those seeking a reliable entry-level option.